Hello, my name is Kwame Analogy. I'm an undergrad at CUNY SBS, and today I'll be walking you through my starter proposal, which is building Analogy.AI. So, I'll be walking you through the problem that Analogy.AI solves, proposal and the steps that I took while building this solution, challenges encountered while building the solution, and finally, a demo of my MVP. So, what's the problem? Well, impactful studying can be quite boring, whether this be for students at a university trying to study for an exam. That may already be difficult. The reality is the use of flashcards and whatnot may not be as personalized or emotionally resonant, which may hinder their ability to fully grasp the content and study. So Analogy AI comes to solve this issue, whereby a user, they'll input the topic they're learning, and they'll actually input something that they relate to, whether it be anime, food, or nature. The output can be a video or it can be text. What the system does, my MVP, is that it sends a prompt to Gemini API and returns a personalized analogy in text format. My future roadmap, so what I intend to include in the future is obviously, the video function for visual learners. The goal of all of this is just to ensure that while studying won't be boring anymore. In other words, people can actually remember concepts that they have to learn in a way that seems automatic and natural. I did encounter a couple of challenges while building this solution, and I'll be walking you through my MVP. I also didn't deploy this. I do intend to deploy this in the future using Vercel after I implement the necessary features. But as you can see here, I do have something working, which is pretty successful. But I'll actually change this up a bit. So I'll keep the topic mathematics, and I'll probably say, my love for nature. All right. As you can see, there's two drop-down formats, text or video. The video format does not work, so we'll just be sticking with text for now. And I'll just click generate. Uh, yeah, took a while, but as you can see, an analogy is generated. By generating this analogy and connecting it to something that the user loves, this in turn should help users study more successfully. Thank you and take care.